Well, I think that there is nothing else on the coast that is anything like this. There's never been anything like this. To be able to get a house of this quality with the best architects by far.
Been working towards this point for many months, and I think it's going to be an incredible event, launch event, because we feel the demand, the timing is correct, the platforms are ready, we're ready to build, we're going to start construction with the first few houses, yeah? And it's going to be a launch event that will make history in the sense that we're going to sell these 33 villas in the shortest time.
We are coming from Engel
Adjacent Callow Homes.
We are working for FM Properties.
VIP del Sol.
For Drumelia Real Estate.
Now, obviously, Marbella is always a place where all the projects are so unique and special. So we are looking forward to know the details of this project with these fantastic views and location. So the expectations obviously are high, but I'm sure that it's going to fulfill it.
Hi everyone, thank you very much for coming today. In Palo Alto is a vision for 500 lucky families. 300 we've already built in the north, and now we're starting the 200 of the south. Yeah, it's the largest luxury community, 50 hectares in the Marbella area. The 33 villas are the best value for money in the whole coast.
You have 24-hour security there. We're going to have another security gate down here, but we're also going to have an owners club, which we'll talk about as well. That is just exclusively for this beautiful compound down here, with its own spa, with its own gymnasium, and then you have a co-working space. You will eventually have an equestrian center, a shop on site, a farmer's market, to keep everything in one place. And you've got the private clubhouse, you've got a 3-hole chip and putt, you've got a beautiful valley here called Serenity Valley with benches and trees and so forth. And of course, these are the villas that we're talking today. We have 4 different types. As standard, we have infinity swimming pools, we have underfloor heating, as you said, we've got aerothermic, we've got domotic systems, everything you'd expect from the very, very best. All bedrooms are en suite, a lift from the basement, ground floor, first floor, patio ingles with natural light, the games room, cinema. When we say views, we don't mean maybe if, but we mean these are the actual views.
Beautiful, the views are stunning, the qualities are good.
The location is like you're outside the city, but you're literally 5 minutes away.
The fact that you can have a gated community of villas so close to Marbella, but with lovely sea views, mountain views, it's going to be a good project, I think.
Well, I'm really excited about the brand because, as well as Miami and Dubai, there are other places like Marbella, Costa del Sol that are having new brands coming like Armani, Fendi, Elisab, and now we have Minotti, so we are just waiting to hear from them.
It looks quite promising. It looks like a very nice project.
Something what is very demanded at this moment, something what we really need to have in the market.
Well, Engel Völkers is one of the main agencies in Costa del Sol, and we have a very good relation with them. So we collaborate from many, many years, so we know them very well.
Yeah, we've always enjoyed working with Engel Völkers in the past, so I'm expecting good things.
I think this is one of the biggest agencies here on the coast, so obviously working with a professional team and people who know the real estate for a long time is always a big advantage. So I think this is a kind of like really good collaboration.
I work with a lot of agencies, but Engel Völkers are professionals. You know what you're getting.
It's the qualities, it's the location, it's the facilities, it's the security. And of course, the type of people who are buying here are very, very important. So it's the very best, hands down, no question.